Good day, fellow traders. Today, we are excited to delve into IQ option trading on a tournament account. We can effectively identify favorable trading opportunities in a fast-paced tournament environment by utilizing three powerful tools, namely Bollinger Bands, demarker, and center of gravity. These tools have proven invaluable in our quest to spot lucrative trades. We observed a particular scenario when the red candle bar touched our lower band. This occurrence often indicates a high probability that the trend will move upward. To further strengthen this signal, we pay close attention to the position of our demarker within its lowest support spot. Additionally, when our center of gravity exhibits an upward trend, it is yet another confirmation of a potentially profitable trading opportunity. In such instances, it is the perfect time to seize the moment and aim for greater heights. We favor implementing the martingale method to mitigate risks and navigate unfavorable market conditions. This approach allows us to adjust our trades when the trend or direction goes against our initial expectations. However, exercising caution and avoiding wagering your entire balance in a single trade is crucial. By adhering to this principle, we can better preserve our capital and gradually build our trading prowess. In our pursuit of enhancing our trading skills, tournament accounts offer an ideal platform for honing our real-time binary options trading abilities. We highly recommend allocating $2 per trade, which has yielded profitable results in our past endeavors. Moving on to specific trading signals, we have recently detected a favorable opportunity with the AUD-CAD currency pair. All corresponding indicators align harmoniously with our trading requirements, making it an enticing prospect to pursue. Similarly, we have also identified a promising trading opportunity with the GBP-USD pair, which exhibits a solid trading signal that fulfills all of our criteria. For optimal trading outcomes, we suggest executing trades on this pair directly. However, adjusting our expectations and aiming for lower profits in this scenario is essential. In light of our positive findings with the AUD-CAD pair, we invite all traders who wish to stay updated with the latest trading strategies. To do so, we kindly request that you like and subscribe to our channel, where we regularly share valuable insights and expert advice. Furthermore, it is worth noting that these tried and tested methods can also be successfully applied when trading on normal markets in conjunction with IQ option on a tournament account. In conclusion, we remain committed to empowering traders with the knowledge and tools needed to excel in the dynamic world of IQ option trading. With an unwavering dedication to continuous improvement, we strive to deliver accurate and timely trading signals, enabling you to make informed decisions and succeed in your trading journey.